We have a woman playing. And bà chơi. And the old man.
So you don't want to score?
These two are so fast we don't even see it.
Yeah.
Here's one right here. Are you ready?
Yeah, go.
What the fuck?
You like that?
That was almost illegal.
That's illegal.
No, he was so mad. He was turning red with his red hair. Good shot.
Yeah. Forgot how to do it. Take it.
Side.
It was on goal at least.
Hey,
Yeah.
run it.
I want that ball.
You want it? Okay. There you go.
But down here, it works. Thank you.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
Good shot, Cannon.
Yeah.
Go for it after you got moved.
That was the illegal shot.
You did.
Hard. Oh, thanks.
Problems.
What the heck? 4? Yeah, you see that? 4-0?
Oh, the camera's doing its job.
Yeah, it's all through.
In a minute.
Oh, yes.
We gotta tighten the tag.
Yeah, in a minute.
Yeah.
All right.
We restarted so they can win.
Now they're coming back.
Oh, yeah.
Say time in. Do you want the scorer in there and everything?
It's everything.
You want
Oh my God, I was almost.
play-by-play commentating? Here, we'll do some live action. We'll roam around with this thing. Don't.
Make
Hey,
it throw up.
yeah. Here, don't.
Just shake
Yeah,
it
don't
with
bother
the-
me.
With the rock.
I mean, don't.
So that it,
Yeah, y'all don't.
Foosball. Recording.
I mean, this makes you. This is 3D. This makes you feel like they're there.
It's funny, that's the first time they hear English.
So, okay, there we go. Blue cow. Blue cow. Shoots the middle.
First time.
Mhm.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we have Danny Adams has the ball on the 3-rod, or the 5-man. Sets it up.
To the 3-rod. Keep it
Pass it to the 3-rod front
Speak
position.
Vietnamese, man.
He's looking. He's looking. Taps it. Tap tap. And kills pull sign. Good choice of shots.
Man, you could replace Nick Stevens like tomorrow.
Okay, blue cow. Stuffed back by Danny Adams. Ends up in Warren's possession. Warren's probably going to do a pass because Oh, I called that one wrong.
Keep going, David.
Oh, Warren pulls one out. Finally, the one of the night. The only one of the night he shoots. He's tried 12 and scored one.
Good on you got a job now.
Okay, Danny. Oh, Vukow steals the ball from Danny Adams. Oh, Eric was flat-footed. Let it go off the back wall. Boo setting it up. Looks, taps, looks, taps. And it goes push side. Good choice.
Good commentary.
And he stroked it long. Y'all can't stroke it long because you're not doing a pull shot. Let's see. So we have Danny Adams with the ball again. Scores 3-1. Danny needs this one desperately.
Yeah, that's exactly what I feel desperate. All right.
Yeah.
Time in.
Danny needs this one. He's called timeout. He's got the ball. Oh, about to lose it if he doesn't really be careful. All right, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. He looks. He waited that out perfectly.
Not quite. Got lucky. Yeah.
He got lucky. Okay. Vukow. Oh, yeah. Vukow gets stuffed back to. Oh, Warren scored the last one. Push shot. He'll probably pass it this time. Oh no, he hits a bank, inside bank. And Danny says it's bull. But he's got the ball. It's all in control. It's all in Danny's control. All he has to do is pass and score here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Warren got 2 out of 2 so far. Let's see what he does. Oh, now he tries to pass it. Oh, he should have tried to shoot it.
Just say.
Okay. Danny's got the ball. He looks. He looks at the pull side. Goes straight. He goes push. I had a feeling he was going to do that. Okay, Vu's going to have to. Let's see. Danny's been stuffing it back. Back to his 3-rod off of Vu's. Oh, Vu got desperate. And,
for no reason.
Oh, Danny misses the catch. Oh, Eric's got the ball. Eric's been a little quiet here lately. Tries to be the hero. Doesn't need to be. Just needs it clear, yeah. All right, clears it to Vu. But Danny's been defending the 5-rod of Vu very well. So, let's see. Warren. He's been scoring the ball. Oh, tries to quick pass to the 5. Okay. Alright. So now we have Danny looks at the nice, beautiful 5-man pass. 3-rod. Danny sets it up. Probably gonna do a quick one this time because he's been looking at it. But he doesn't. He waits on it. He looks. Oh, I probably distracted him. That's the first time he scored the rest of them while I was talking. Oh, he stuffs it. Oh, he's got a chance to go 4-4. If he scores this, he'll probably stuff the pass back. All right. Let's see what happens. Oh, he hammered it long. Okay. This is getting exciting, ladies and gentlemen. We have Vu's yet to pass. Vu's yet to pass the ball, but he gets it. Eric hasn't done much this game. Eric hasn't done much, so maybe he'll get a block here and score the point. Oh, Vukow. Oh, I never did it.